How we doing today? Figured I'd bring you back for a little trick that I had to use yesterday. Set up this new machine, and I wanted to adjust the gib screws. The carriage was a little loose, so I had no problem. So I got a set of long Allen heads out because it is about 2.5, 3 inches in there. Let me get a tape measure. Get exact depth here. Yeah, it's a little over 3 inches down the hole, and see if I can bring it in closer here to where they're located. Right in that hole right there, and it goes all the way there. So that's 3 inches, and the hole, is hollow underneath in the carriage where the gears are. So it's just, you look in there and then it drops down. No matter what light I tried shining in there, I couldn't see all the way to the end. Plus, I had these little plastic tubing in there. I think that was just to help guide the tool down the hole, but it made it hard because I was trying to look through the hole and it just made it smaller. So I had to get these out, which was not easy because I didn't know if they are important or not. I had a feeling they were just, tubes in there, but I didn't want to destroy them. So once I got it out, I still couldn't see down there. I sprayed it with air, cleaner, lube, tried everything. Couldn't get a tool in there. Tried, regular head screwdriver, figuring it's just a regular screw. Because, in the toolkit, they do give you this beautiful, this quality tool, wooden handle and everything. It's not that bad, honestly. I like the feel of it. But, so I figured, hey, they gave you a screwdriver for a reason, so I figured it's a regular head. Let's try it. Nothing would work. So I had to figure out what was in there. So months ago, I grabbed this product, is the name of it. As you can tell, it's a cheap Chinese-made box company. And it was a ear nose Borescope for, his little probe with the light at the end, which is, you can turn up or down. And you can tell it's baby blue. They come in multiple colors, depending on what plastic they're recycling at the time. But it's Wi-Fi. You can connect it to your home Wi-Fi system. And that's clunky. I read the reviews on it. Everybody complained about that. So what I do, I just basically connect it right to your cell phone. Turn this unit on. Then you go to your Wi-Fi. Search down the list of systems available. And you pick the camera's name. Jensen, something like that. You click on it, open the app, you download the app, open it, and you have it connects nice and easy, and it stays connected, and you can tell the picture here on the screen. It's pretty good. And what I used for it, let me zoom in on the screen so you can see, it's on a regular cell phone camera. Okay, I'm getting everybody dizzy here. But basically I used it, go down the hole there. I see it's deep, pretty far down there. And you can tell it, look down there, it just drops down to the opening. So, and all I could see was like the opening. I saw the hole there, but I couldn't tell what was there. It was all filled with what, during machining, they don't clean anything. I mean, it's amazing how much dust and chips are in this machine. So, and that chip and grease they use when they ship it. So I cleaned that all out. And try to watch my video camera as I do this here, and you can see finally, you can see all the threads there. That's not threads for a screw. That's just a bad boring job. I think a very bad boring head. But yeah, there you go. Finally, when you get down there, once I clean out, you could tell it was an Allen head. It was a 4mm Allen head. So I finally figured out what was there. So this little cheap tool came in handy. You can tell the picture pretty good. And the reason I thought it was going to be a regular screw at first is on the tailstock adjustment. If you want to angle the tailstock a little bit, you can tell it's a regular head screw there. So I could see down that hole because it's not as deep and it was cleaner. So that's why I was trying a regular screwdriver, but and then you go down to the gib adjustment on the tailstock, and it's Allen head. But they're right at the edge so you can see them. There you go. So, without this tool, I could have been, digging down there forever, not realizing what it was. So, I figured I'd just bring this little trick to you. These are sold everywhere. I mean, I got Amazon, search Otoscope, search that company's name there. And under $15, I think this was like 12, 13 bucks, whatever it was. I bought it was months ago. Well worth it. Pictures quality is good. They give you little replaceable tips, a little blue tip. So if you are using it for your ears and nose, you can use one for human body, and you can put another one on for machine tooling. And so that's basically a quick video on a trick that I dug out. I'm glad I had this around, because that's what I do. I buy something that just in case I need to use it in the future, I want to have it here if it comes in handy. This is one of those buys I bought. It's rechargeable, mini USB. I have to plug in after this because I've been playing with it for a couple days now. And can't complain. Very highly recommended. Buy one. I hope it helps someone out. I'll talk to you later.